So there could come a time when I sell all of my Kaspa. In this video, I'm going to let you guys know what could actually make me sell all of my Kaspa and never look back. But let me start off with this. You see, I've been in this crypto space for quite a few years now, and one thing I've learned is never ignore bull signs. Now, bull signs doesn't always come in the form of chart action, whether or not the price is going up or whether or not the price is going down. It also comes in the form of catalysts, and never ignore catalysts in crypto, never ignore hype, and always realize that attention, whether it be good or bad, is always just straight up good attention. As long as there are people talking about a coin, it's going to get others curious, maybe even buy some. So attention is always good, whether or not it's good or bad. Okay, now before I continue in this video, for anyone looking for a great crypto exchange, especially if you trade using leverage, make sure you check out my link to BTCC. You get 10% bonus on first-time deposits, you get extra bonuses of up to $10,000, and you get to use up to 500x leverage on some of these coins. The link is going to be in my description down below. You'll also find a link to Trade Assist, which is a great crypto indicator, lets you know when's a good time to buy and sell crypto. And you'll find a link to my Patreon for anyone that wants to find some exclusive content over there. All right, so I've heard some people say that they've sold their Kaspa. Some said they sold it for a meme coin. Some say that they've sold it for a utility coin. Let's start off with meme coins. So I always say don't ignore catalysts, right? If we take a meme coin right now, I just have Bonk pulled up. Let's say someone decided they want to sell Kaspa for Bonk for whatever reason, right? You take a look at something like Bonk. You go through here, you check out the amount of exchange that Bonk is actually listed on. You see the Binance, you see the Coinbase, you see the Kraken, KuCoin, Bybit, everything, right? All the big name exchanges Bonk is listed on. So you got to ask yourself, all right, well, if I sell my Kaspa for a meme coin, what can actually bring this meme coin to another level other than just straight luck? That's what you got to ask yourself, because it's already listed on all these exchanges. And we all know when it comes to meme coins, one of the most popular catalysts is a exchange listing, right? So think about that one. Now, let's say that the meme coin doesn't have a whole ton of exchange listings, so that's still a catalyst which could take the meme coin to another level. Is it possible that the meme coin could do something like this chart right here, where it looked like it was extremely promising, but then the meme coin come crashing down and you get completely wiped out because you don't know where the bottom is for the meme coin? Is that possible? Absolutely. We all know that when it comes to meme coins, it's all about luck. At the end of the day, it's all about luck. You get into these meme coins, you hope that the community is strong enough to hold the price to crazy levels, but 9 times out of 10, that doesn't happen. The meme coin come crashing down and you lose all of your money. Now, let's say that you want to swap your Kaspa for another utility coin, another layer one, for example. So right now I've got SWI pulled up. Let's say you want to swap your Kaspa for SWI because you saw that SWI has been just making a parabolic run and you want in on the action. 9 times out of 10, most people get in on the action way too late. You take a look at the charts here on SWI, we can see this thing at the beginning of August went from 57 cents all the way up to $5.30 as of recently, all right? And it's all-time highs. Most people is getting in on the action way too late. They don't even look at the charts to see where they're actually buying these things. They don't want to be buying these things at the very low, the very bottom of the charts. They want to be buying these things at the very high of the charts, at the very peak. And that's why Kaspa isn't as interesting to some people. And this is why some people decide they want to sell Kaspa, because they don't want to get in on the ground floor on the charts. They want to get in at the very top. Now, before I get into what could make me get rid of all of my Kaspa bags and run for the hills forever, I just wanted to talk about the charts real quick and see how things are looking here. All right, so if we look at the Kaspa charts, it looks the same as it did for over the last year, right? So absolutely nothing has happened. But speaking about getting at the very top and the very bottom, we are still near its bottom, and we've talked about many times how the bottom is somewhere around 10 cents on Kaspa. Until I see this 10-cent mark break, I am going to keep believing that this will continue to be massive support where everyone is looking to scoop up the dips on Kaspa. Now, if we take a look here at the indicator, again, you'll find this down below in my description, we can see that a buy zone was actually recently just fired. So this was the first buy zone in a little while. The last one before that was December 19th, but it does show that we are currently in a bearish momentum, but the overall crypto market hasn't been that strong over the last like week or so. So this is to be expected to see a bearish momentum fired on Kaspa, and it's also fired on many other altcoins as well. Now, let's get into what could make me sell all of my Kaspa bags and not look back. Now, the first thing that could have me sell all of my Kaspa bags and never look back is if I find out that Kaspa was actually never truly a fair launch. That is the first thing. So obviously, good luck with that. The next thing that could have me sell all of my Kaspa bags is if I see that the team has stopped building. I mean, with the catalyst coming up, with the smart contracts and many other things this year, again, good luck with that. And the last thing that could have me sell all of my Kaspa bags is this one right here. When pigs fly. And I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon, other than movies. So, all in all, I don't think I am going to sell my Kaspa bags anytime soon, because I think that we are just getting started for where the project is going and where the returns is going. But again, nothing in this video is financial advice, because at the end of the day, I can always be wrong. So make sure you guys take this video with a grain of salt. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Check out a few of the links that I have down below. And until next time, take care.